So how many of you, once you open YouTube or once you go to the YouTube homepage, you find it hard not to click any video on the feed and then close the YouTube app? Just open YouTube on your phone, scroll down a little bit, see the first 10 videos and then close the app. Are you able to do that? If you're able to do it, you're one of the few people who is not controlled by the algorithm. But many of us, including me, we are unable to close YouTube unless we click on a video. Okay, so why is that? What is the reason? After seeing some of the videos on the homepage, why are we not able to close it again? So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way where you can completely get rid of this YouTube addiction. All right, this is a quick hack that I've found out which will let you break this YouTube addiction and then stop wasting time. All right, so this is what happened. I used to spend several hours a day on watching YouTube videos, and 90% of the videos I watched, they are not the things that I wanted to learn. So it didn't fit with what I wanted to do in my life, but still I kept on watching them. I try to figure out like what is the reason that I'm watching these videos, but I actually don't want to watch the videos. So I decided I wanted to break this habit. Okay, so I don't want to be out of my control and let something else control me. So what I did, first I uninstalled the YouTube app. That's the first thing. So, but there were some channels that I wanted to follow or keep watching. Okay, I don't want to entirely remove the YouTube videos itself, but something in the YouTube app I didn't like. So what I did, I uninstalled the YouTube app, and then I wanted to follow a particular topic. Okay, I know a few channels in that field who do good videos, so I wanted to follow those channels. So then I was looking for something which will let me only watch the videos from those channels which I specify. And what I found, there is an app called as NewPipe. All right, so that's not on the Play Store. It is an open source app that you can download directly from the NewPipe website. So it is not built by YouTube, it's built by another company, but it actually fetches the videos from the YouTube and then shows it on that app. So that's how that works. So as you can see, this is the NewPipe website where you can download that app, and this was the game changer. Once I installed this app, I came to know what is the thing that I was addicted to, and it immediately broke my addiction. All right, so before I tell you what I was addicted about, let me show you how this NewPipe app works, okay, and how it is different from the normal YouTube app. So let me go into the let me open my phone and I'll show you the way this app works. All right, so this is my phone, and here you can see the NewPipe app. I don't have the YouTube app installed. I've completely deleted it. So now I open NewPipe, and once I open here, this is how the app looks. So here you can see there is this option called as subscriptions. So once you go here, what you need to do is you simply click new and then just enter the name of the channel which you want to subscribe to. So already, if you've been on YouTube, you know few channels who you want to follow. So I had around 15 channels that I wanted to follow. So I followed those channels. So as you can see here, so these are all the channels which are related to the topic which I want to learn about or which I want to be updated on. So I started only following those channels. Now what will happen is, once you add these subscriptions, once you go here and go to what's new, this is the game changer here actually. So what it does is, it will only show you the videos from the channels that you selected. So that is the difference between the YouTube app and the NewPipe app. This is a million times better than the YouTube app because you are not controlled by the algorithm. You're not controlled by the algorithm anymore, because I broke free from the algorithm by uninstalling the YouTube app. So what the YouTube app has is a certain algorithm that tracks everything about you and everything you've watched, and it shows you videos which you cannot resist. So that is the main problem that we have with the YouTube app. It is showing you videos which for sure it knows you will click on. It is more sure than yourself, because it is a AI. it is 1000% sure that you will click on that video. So that is why it is showing you. So it is even stronger than your own brain. Or you could say it knows you better than you know yourself, because it is an AI. So it's not just YouTube, it's any algorithm. It could be Instagram, it could be TikTok, anything which decides by itself to show you what it wants to show and you click on it. So then you're being controlled by the algorithm. So I decided I want to get rid of all the algorithms that are controlling me, or all the algorithms that is making me addicted. So the YouTube was the first algorithm that I got rid of. Now you check about yourself in your life and think about all the algorithms that is controlling your behavior. What are all the algorithms which gives you or shows you the content and you click on it and you spend time on? So everywhere you can see those algorithms. Now another big change I noticed was, when I had the YouTube app, I used to watch probably around 15 to 20 videos a day. And here, because it is a limited number of channels that I'm following, once a day I'll refresh this feed. And when I refresh, it's going to show me a maximum of 3 to 5 videos per day, because that's how many videos all of these channels upload per day. Whereas in YouTube, there's no limit. So the feed is unlimited. Any amount of scroll that you do, it will keep showing you unlimited number of videos. There's never an end to it, which means you feel like you have to watch them all, and you keep getting new things and you get addicted to that. So here, one of the main differences is, whatever videos your channels uploaded in that day, you only get that, and then it's over. So you can't watch any more videos. And that's the main difference. Yeah. So I want to encourage all of you to give this a try. Try it out and see if this is actually something that works for you. And also in the comments, let me know how many algorithms is playing a part in your life. How many algorithms you're addicted to, and then list them. So it could be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. So in your case, what is it? And you can also try uninstalling YouTube and then try installing this NewPipe, and tell me whether did you find the benefit in this. All right. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first video. Thank you. Bye-bye.